Let's take a look at how we can use a recipe to quickly enable a best practice workflow. As you know, checking in with new members is an important part of an excellent onboarding process. This recipe puts that process on cruise control. For each recipe, you'll see a breakdown of exactly what it does. You'll have the option to keep it as is and set it live, or you can customize it to make it your own. A quick tweak to the messages, and it's perfect. Setting it live means that part of your operation is now automated. But of course, there are more recipes. You'll also find a complete onboarding flow, tour follow-ups, late payment reminders, lead nurturing, and many more. We believe recipes make the capabilities of automations accessible to everyone, providing inspiration and access to best practices so that you can get started quickly.